Now, see the woman behind Chioma's strength. This one is Chioma mama. Now, we don't finally see where Chioma beauty and boldness is coming from. See, yeah, Davido they shit. Davido they do this one. A lot of people say after they don't do this heavy marriage now, they are busy writing in the comment section though. After Davido don't do this heavy marriage now, he go see shit on Chioma. See, if you know they bold and strong, you know fit stand a shitty man. And you know what? Everything we be say with the hear concerning Chioma, I don't finally see am say na the mama na dey behind the strength of Chioma. The advice of being quiet, of being calm, of being patient, she got it from her mother. The beauty and everything. This one our entrance to the reception. Now our entrance to the reception where they finally hand over Chioma to Davido. When I no worry, I go leave the full video. I tell una say today na back to back. Back to back. No una just stay glued to this channel, Aproko Gist TV. As I go dey knack am back to back. I go leave the full video. No una watch am. When Chioma and Davido and Chioma mama step on the dancing floor. Now I begin to ask myself, is Chioma really that age they say she is? Because they say Chioma is 27 and be 28. Imagine, she get twins, so she get baby. Oh. See her strength. When they do bridal shower here, but see the step. See how she is so strong. How she's still wearing that smile on her face. Stress not even there her face. I know a lot of una come to say, and the husband get money, now money is there. Yeah, let me tell you, money no fit buy strength. Now me they tell you. No worry, make I leave the video. Mona see the way Chioma take display. Mona see Chioma dancing step. Mona see how a lot of people take welcome Chioma. I will never be poor. Oh. And if you don't want to be remain poor, you better work on yourself, as I've earlier said. Let's watch the video and drop a comment.
Check it. When she go in, and let your people when they hold the door, everybody stop. You understand? Give them. You're allowed to do too much. You're allowed to do too much. Give them. Give them. Yeah? Congrats. Check, give us space. Move up. Give them. Up. Left.
A minute. True, please. Tell them to hold it a minute. Please tell them to bring it down a minute. Please. Can we please give her enough space to dance? Can we please step back? Everybody, please step back. The friends, hello friends. Yes, everybody, please, everybody. Excuse me, including the group. Sorry. Let me just take a photo. On this stage, nobody should stay there except Chioma Excuse me. Assistance. Troop, more music now.
Nganga boyo kwesiri, abanoyo kwesiri. Chama bani mele nganga. Chama bani mele nganga. Chama bani mele nganga. Nganga boyo, dayo abanoyo kwesiri. Chama neme nganga. Chama neme nganga. Chama abanoyo kwesiri. Chama abanoyo kwesiri. Chama mele nganga. Chama neme nganga. Chama bani mele nganga. Chama bani mele nganga. Dayo abanoyo kwesiri. Chama abanoyo kwesiri. Dayo abanoyo kwesiri. Dayo abanoyo kwesiri. Dayo abanoyo kwesiri. Chama mele nganga. Chama bani mele nganga.